Rampage stands ready, programmed to explore. Fighting machines with circuits ablaze, defending the station locked in a gaze. While locomotive shunters move with race, the rhythm of gears in this electric race. Each twist and turn, a calculated dance. This sci-fi model railway, it's our chance. Rampage, charge up the night. The power station thrums ready for the fight. With every move, a legacy reborn in a world where machines fight till the dawn. Radar scanners sweep for dangers unseen. Listening stations thrive on this techno dream. Fueling depots hold the lifeblood inside, ready to power the warrior with pride. Rampage is practicing fighting reflections in the glow of the lights, honing its collections. A fusion of metal, a warrior's might, in a future where shadows become the light. Rampage, charge up the night. The power station thrums ready for the fight. With every move, a legacy reborn in a world where machines fight till the dawn. The future's advanced, the battle is brewing, it's a programmed dance. Flying tigers reborn in a digital vein. Rampage thrives on its pulse of the train. Through wires and circuits, a line intertwines. Robots in battle, racing through time. The power flows stronger, the machines take flight. In this glorious struggle, together we fight. High voltage surges, the spark in the air. Rampage stands guard, always aware. While shunters chug along tracks into light, creating a symphony. The future feels right in the glow of the station where dreams come alive. We're holding on tight, watch the machines strive. This isn't just a model, it's a lifestyle embrace. In the world of tomorrow we find our place. So here's to the future.